So, there was a huge, well, not really huge, but a big storm that came on by. And I wasn't expecting it, but I thought this would be a really cool opportunity to do a watercolor in the rain. How cool is that? So, what I did is I went outside with my watercolors and my canvas, which originally I was going to use this for a different canvas, but the idea just hit me, and I was like, well, I could go and buy another canvas. I mean, come on. When can you go out and paint in the rain? So, I went ahead and just did it, and I think it turned out really cool. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of draw a little girl with an umbrella, like how you see with every other, you know, watery scene or whatever. So I think this will be really neat. So first, I need to find my pencil. I wasn't quite, prepared for this video, because it just, came on to me like, boom. Let's see. Here's a pencil. Okay. I was afraid there wasn't going to be any lead. Alright, so my canvas is still a little wet, but can you guys see that? All I did was I did a purple, a kind of like a teal color, and a blue, and I just started up here, and then I would just stand out there with my canvas holding up, and I just let it run down. I think it turned out really cool. And then down at the bottom I just did a black to make it look like some pavement. I don't know, I think it turned out awesome. So here's the finished result. I really hope you guys like this, and I really hope you guys go and take your watercolors out in the rain, because it's really fun. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.